Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to solve October-November 2019 paper. October-November 2019 paper. And in this tutorial, we'll be discussing the first four questions, that how to deal with it. Now, if you see, this is the first question. Find the term independent of x in the expansion of this. 2x plus 1 over 4x squared whole power 6. So we are looking for the term independent of x over here. So independent of x means the x is going to be cancelled. So if we make this is the power 4 and this is the power 2. So this is going to be cancelled with each other because the power 2 of square is going to be 4 again. So since this is power 4 and this term starts with the power 6. So first term is 6 power, second is 5, third is 4. So it's going to be the third term. So the third term is 6c2 because it starts with 60, 61 and 62. And then it is 2x power 4 and 1 over 4x square power 2. If you simplify this combination with the calculator, it gives you 15 and this is 16x power 4. And here, if you take the square of this as well, this will give you 16x power 4. And this whole term is cancelled out. And we are left with a term without x, which is called independent of x. And this is 15. This is your question number 1. Now let's go to question number 2. This is your question number 2, in which it says an increasing function f is defined for x is greater than where n is an integer, and it is given that f dash of x is equals to this. So we know that for the increasing function, f dash of x must be greater than 0. So x square minus 6x plus 8 greater than 0. Now, if you solve this quadratic equation with the help of the calculator by using mod 5(3), you will exactly get x is equals to 4 and x is equals to 2. Now, if you see here, this is a quadratic equation, so the graph is going to be seen like somehow like this. And x square is positive, so it is sort of valley-shaped graph. This is going to be your 2. This is going to be your 4. Since you are looking for the positive values, so the positive values are lying here, 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 here. And similarly, on this side, this is here. All of these places are going to give you the positive values. And if you should see this one, this is on the right side of 4. So one solution is going to be x is greater than 4. And the other one is there is x is less than 2. Now, since it is mentioned over here x greater than n, so it is n is going to be 4 in this question. So this is your question number 2. Now let's go for question number 3. And the question number 3 says, the line y equals to ax plus b is a tangent to the curve this at the point 2,6. Since it is a tangent, so we know dy by dx gives us gradient of tangent. So let's find the derivative of this curve, which is 6x squared minus 10x minus 3. Now at place 2, 6, when you place x equals to 2 in this, the gradient is going to be 6 into 2 square minus 10 into 2 minus 3, and you get it equals to 1. This is the gradient of tangent. If you see this line y equals to ax plus b, so the gradient is over here mentioned. So if you compare this with this, you'll get a equals to 1. Now, if you are looking for the B, what we can do, we can place this point in this line to find the value of B. So y is 6. We have found A, which is 1. Our x is 2. And we can find out B from here. So B is going to be 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now, as far as C is concerned, we are going to place this point directly in the curve. Y is equals to this. So y is 6 and x is 2. So 2 into 2 power 3 minus 5 into 2 power 2 minus 3 into 2 and plus c is there. So 6 is going to be equals to 8 2s are 16 and this is 20, this is 6 and this is c. So 6 is equals to minus 10 plus c. So this will give us c is equals to 16. This is your third question. Now we go for the fourth one. So when we go for the fourth one, here it is the fourth question. Okay. A runner who is training for a long distance race plans to run increasing distance each day about for 21 days, x kilometers she's running on the first day. On each subsequent day she will increase the distance by 10%. By 10% means it's a multiplication sort of thing, so it's going to be a geometric progression. On day 21, she will run 21 kilometers. So on the first day, she is running x kilometers. So your first term is x. Your r, since it is geometric, it is 10% increasing, so it's 1.1. On 21st day, A21, and we know we can write it as a r power 20. A21 is 20 kilometers and A is X and our R is 1.1 power 20. So X is going to be 20 over 1.1 power 20 and X, if you simplify with the calculator, that gives you 3. Now let's go for the second part of this. And second part is here. Okay, find the total distance she runs over the 21 days. So it means he's asking for the sum of first 21 days. So we know that the sum formula is Sn is equals to A into R power n minus 1 over R minus 1. You don't have to write this formula. You can directly place the values as 21. Our A was found, that was 3. R was 1.1 and power n means 21 days minus 1 over 1.1 minus 1, and you just place all of these values in your calculator to get an answer equals to 192. So this is the fourth question. We have done the 4 questions here. So this tutorial was for the first 4 questions of October-November 2019, paper 1-1. The next 4 questions will be seen in the next tutorial. I hope this is helpful to you to solve this paper. Thank you.